Hi Palace, Eddie here from F.M.C in the Republic of Korea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to get the setting of the F.M.S T-28 Trojan wingspan is 1400 millimeters version 4. First, I will check the propeller balancing of F.M.S T-28 Trojan. It has the 3 blades scale propellers, and I will check each blade balancings and the weights. And second, I will remove the F.M.S original gyro named Reflex version 2 from the fuselage. And the third, I will remove the central red wire from the servo cable from the E.S.C. Then install and connect this additional external B.E.C. It's 20 amperes, and I will connect this cable to the receiver, and I will supply the electric to the servers and the other devices. As you know, it's best not to trust the B.E.C built into the original electric speed control. The weight of the external B.E.C and dedicated battery will be added to the total weight of this airplane. And fourth, in a manual, the battery is specified as full cell 2600 milliamperes. It's about 285 grams. But in my case, I plan to use a mix of 3000 milliamperes batteries, and weight is 405 grams, and 4000 milliampere batteries, and it's 526 grams, and finally 5000 milliamperes battery is 630 grams. The position of the battery relative to CG may change depending on capacity, right? At the fifth step, I'll put this T-28 Trojan on the balancing jig fixture to check the appropriate position for these 3 kinds of batteries. And I will mark the accurate position for the CG. Maybe I can change the battery location according to the center of gravity. Of course, depends on the battery weight, the center of gravity will move to forward and the rear side. So anyway, I will mark the accurate position for the CG with these 3 kind of batteries. Until here, free flight inspection of T-28 Trojan. From now, I will assign the servo channels to the transmitter. Since I have a lot of work to do, so I will copy and paste the F.M.S PC21 settings using the same components. So next, set the control rate of the control fins on the transmitter. Ailerons, elevators, rudders, and flaps, etc. Okay, I will check the propeller balancing with the propeller balancing tools. This is some tapes here. That is aluminum tape to reduce the vortex airflow. The first blades, okay, and second blades. Second blades, okay, and third blades. Okay, the third brace balanced okay. Okay, every brace balancing is excellent. I will check the rotate. Let's keep going. It's not stop. After the stop, the blade will rotate the clockwise. Can you see that? It means the good balancing. Open the canopy first. And you can see some complicated wire here in the fuselage. This battery cable from electric speed control, the right side of the fuselage, the front, and this is ordinary bolt, maybe this connector from the main wings, and there are some connectors, the ailerons, flaps, and LED lights. I mean the navigation light, and there is a gyro, the F.M.S original reflex gyro here, and these cables from the original board. You can see the flap is not connected to the gyro. The black and red wire for the LED, the navigation light. Anyway, first I will remove this F.M.S reflex gyro that won't be used, and these cables from the ordinary board and electric speed control via the reflex V2 gyro, and this cable should be connected to the receiver, but I don't use this reflex gyro, and I will remove all these cables, aileron, elevator, throttle, and what is that? S-bus PPM mode? I don't know what it is. Remove these cables from the reflex gyro, and I will use other connector. And let's see. This is aileron from the original board, and I don't use this cable either because I want to control the aileron is separately, so I don't need this cable. And this is the elevator from the original board and the rudder. This is landing gear from the front, nose landing gear, and this is rudder cable from the to control the nose steering. So I will separate this cable to connect the receiver. This is the throttle cable. There are 4 colors here. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I will remove this red cable from the connector because this red wire from the electric speed control supply the electric power to the receiver. I'll remove this red cable from the jack. It's best not to trust the B.E.C built in the electric speed control. The weight of the external B.E.C and dedicated battery will be added. The weight, as you can see, the weight of the aircraft will increase by the amount minus the weight of the removed gyro, right? Of course, the weight of the battery is separate. As all as I can, I connected every cable to the receiver in direct. Now I stored the batteries, the 4-cell 3000 milliamperes in the battery bay like this, and I will use 2 receivers, the FR-Sky RX-8R and X-8R. They are connected to the redundancy system. And this connected from the left wings, and this one from the right wings. I connected the ailerons indirect to the receiver 1. This is the external B.E.C 20 amperes, and I separated the 2 cables to each receivers to supply the power. This is for the ramps, top of the fuselage and the base. This is the nose steering gear bay cables, and these two cables from the disconnected. They are the main landing gear box. This is ever connected, finished. I wanna extend the battery bay for the other 4000 milliampere batteries. As you can see, the battery bay is too narrow for the 4000 and 5000 milliamperes. So I will cut this battery bay wall for the 4000 milliampere batteries. I should cut about 2 millimeters each side with the knife. I cut it up here to extend the battery base for the 4000 milliampere batteries like this, and the other 5000 milliamperes batteries right down this battery bay. I made sheets here and buried this cable from electric speed control like this. I can fix very easily the cable without any tape or some other fixed materials. Now I arranged all the cables here. So you can arrange the complicated cables like this. Alright, this is the final step of the indoor setting for the Maiden. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.